Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge. Wow, today Shibadoge is really pumping. Shibadoge is really rising over 34%. This is good. I mean, this is a good news for Shibadoge. And of course, you can see that the trading volume have actually hit over $102,000. This is amazing. Shibadoge cap still remain at $6 million. But the price is really pumping, and I'm happy that at least one good thing about Shibadoge is when you see most coins rising, Shibadoge is also rising. When you see most coins doing well, this coin is always there. And I've been getting massive support recently from their community. Recently, the community of Shibadoge actually composed a song for Shibadoge. Community of Shibadoge has been hosting an online engagement for Shibadoge on Twitter, on Instagram. You can see the cap, the face cap. You can see the shirt, the t-shirt. You can see the so many banners that we're using to run offline and online adverts for Shibadoge. They want the world to know Shibadoge. They want the world to accept Shibadoge. They want crypto industry to feel Shibadoge. Shibadoge have beginning to do what I really think they should have been doing since last year. Okay, Flock did it and he paid them. So I'm happy that Shibadoge is really improving. I'm happy that the price also is almost approaching 40% rise in just 24 hours. But the most important thing is this social media awareness and offline awareness. If they can carry on, if they can push on this, they can invest on this, a lot of people will definitely be aware of Shibadoge. A lot of people will know that a coin called Shibadoge actually exists. Some people might find it interesting to buy, to invest. Some people want to research about Shibadoge. When they find it good, definitely they will be pumping their money into Shibadoge. So let's wait for the best and let's wish Shibadoge all the best to keep rising, keep pumping, and keep making us proud. Once again, remember this is not a financial advice. Thank you for stopping by.